Hi guys, welcome back. So today I received my Allure box in the mail. I haven't even ripped the plastic off yet because my hubby just grabbed it out of the mailbox and handed it to me. So I said, let me go ahead and open it up and see what I got this month. So that is what I'm going to do. I haven't watched any videos for this month's box, so I'm not sure at all what's in here. I don't know if there's any spoilers or teasers or anything out there, but I usually get some pretty decent stuff from Allure, so I've never really been disappointed, I don't think. So let's go ahead and see what I have in my box. Okay, so on top I have my little brochure, and it says on here, Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. Okay. So let me just take a quick little look. Okay, so yeah, it has all the information for the products that I have in my box, in my little brochure. So let's go ahead and check out the first thing that I see. Ooh, this looks like a good box this month, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. I got me a lot of goodies in here. Let's see what I got. Okay, so let me just start out with this first item here. It says Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream with minerals and plant extract. Okay, so this is for dehydrated and dry skin. Let's take a look and see what it says in here about this. Okay, so it says here, this is for the skin. It retails for $9.99 and you can get this at Target. And let's see here. It says 2 hydrating superstars, glycerin and lactic acid, make your skin extra soft because it's light, it's easy to add to your routine. Layer it over serums or under richer eye creams or sunscreens. So I really like that because I like things that are kind of light and not too heavy to add to my routine. So this is pretty cool. It's a really nice size little tube here. So very, very nice. I love getting any type of skincare or moisturizers or anything to add hydration. So really happy about that. Okay, so the next thing I see in here, it says La Roche-Posay. They always have this stuff that I cannot pronounce. Okay, I don't know what this is. Ultralight sunscreen fluid. Okay, look at this, you guys. See all that crazy wording on there? So anyways, this says face 60. So I guess this is a 60 sunscreen. And this is a nice little sample. Let me see what it says about this. It says La Roche-Posay Anthelios 60 Ultralight Sunscreen Fluid. Let's see here. The Best of Beauty winning sunscreen is light enough to wear every day, but it's got a high enough SPF to use at the beach. Okay, so that's good. Retails for $19, and let me go ahead and see if I can open this up. Looks like a pretty small sample, but that's okay. With Allure, I noticed that I feel like I get a lot of really nice products to try. So this is pretty cool. I might actually take this with me on my vacation just to test it out one day and see how I like it. So that is that. Yeah, I noticed with Allure that I actually get a lot of nicer products. So even if the samples are smaller, I don't really mind because they send out some really nice quality products. Okay, so the next item I have is this cute little blue box. And it says here that this is a water sleeping mask by Laneige. And let's see here. It retails for $25. And this is what the box looks like. Really pretty. And let me go ahead and open this up. So I guess I can use this as part of my nighttime routine to help to moisturize my skin. This is what the little sample container looks like. And let me open this up. Okay, so it's just like a nice little gel in there. Nice and light. I love this type of like mask or moisturizer. It doesn't have a strong scent to it. It's very, very light, and it feels well, it feels nice and soft. It just feels really hydrating. So I really like stuff like this as I'm trying to take care of my skin better in the mornings and in the evenings. I think I'm really going to enjoy trying out this water sleep mask. It seems like it'll be light, not too heavy, something that I can definitely put on and not feel like I have something on my face while I'm sleeping. So like I said, this is a retail price of $25. Okay, so next in the box, I have this little can here, and it says Freestyler Working Hairspray, and this is from Oribe. And this is what that looks like. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Nice little hairspray. And let me see what it says about this. So it says that this retails for $42. You can purchase it on Oribe, however you pronounce it, .com. And let's see here. Basically, it's a hairspray that's supposed to hold your hair in place all day. So that's what this is. Very nice little sample of hairspray. So I like that a lot. Let me see if I can't smell it, and I don't feel like, you know what? Let me go ahead and spray it. Ooh, it smells very nice. It smells very, very nice. So that'll be nice to have, you know, whenever I have my hair out and I need to keep it in place. Okay, so next I have a Makeup Forever, what looks like one of their nice little pretty lipsticks. And so this is what the box looks like. Just a basic Makeup Forever box. And let me see what this is. Artiste Rouge Cream. And so this is what the little sample looks like. Their usual size for their little sample lipsticks. And this is the color that I received. So it's a really pretty nice light pinky nude shade. And it says here that the retail price for this is $22 at Sephora.com. Ooh, and they gave me a free shipping code that I could use too. So let's see here. This is in color C211. So whatever color that is, it looks like this. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. So that's what the swatch looks like. That's pretty. I have so many lipsticks in that color. That's like one of their favorite sample shades to give out, but it's all good. Nice, pretty pinky nude. Okay, and so next, ooh, top is coming off. Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Looks like this might be a concealer. I'm hoping it's a concealer as light as it is. Hey. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. Why is my foundation so light? Okay. Yada yada yada. Okay. This Best of Beauty winner is easy to blend, and it's got the perfect natural finish, so you can use it to spot correct without getting an obvious blotch of dewy or matte foundation on otherwise bare skin. You can use a damp sponge to tap it over redness, sunspots, and by the time you're done, your skin looks even and fresh. So this retails for $43 at Sephora.com. So let me just check this out. Ooh. Yeah, I think they got my color wrong. This is definitely not for me. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even know if I can. Oh, this stuff is really thick though. Oh my goodness. So if you get this Allure Box and you get this in here in the right shade, this stuff is really, really thick. It looks like a really, really nice coverage. So I don't know. This is pretty light. I don't even know if I can use this as a concealer. This is too light. I don't know. Maybe. I might try it. But yeah, this is a very, very thick, full coverage foundation that they have in here. So yeah, but they sent your girl the wrong color. Clearly the wrong color. Okay, so now that I got that wiped off, yeah, so that really sucks that I got the wrong color foundation. I would have really, really liked to try this out because that looks like a serious coverage on that foundation, but maybe I'll try it out as a highlighter or something. Okay, and so the last item in my box, which looks like a liquid eyeliner pencil, And this is from Eyeko, and I have received eyeliner pencils from Eyeko before. So that is what that looks like. Nice little sample size. So I'm not going to open this just because I like to throw these in my travel bag and stuff, and it keeps them from drying out while I'm not using them. So let me just see what it says about this. Looks like a regular standard eyeliner. Retail price $22 at eyeko.com. And let's see here. It's great for wing liners without skipping. A classic smooth line without having a lot of skill. So that works for me. Let's see here. Yeah, it has a rich black color and it's waterproof and glossy. Okay, so it's not matte. It's not matte. It says it's waterproof and glossy. So it has a felt tip and it's very sturdy. So that's nice. I'll go ahead and hold on to this so that I can use this in the future. But you know what? I'm really happy with this box. Like I said, I don't think I've ever been disappointed with an Allure box because they send out some really great products. This is everything that I got this month. So I actually got 6 items this month, it looks like. Or is it 7? Shoot, I got 7 items this month. Look at that. 7 items in my box this month. So I cannot complain, you guys. Very happy about it. Loving this month's box. Hopefully, if you like what you see, maybe you want to try it out. I believe I pay about 13 or 14 bucks a month for this box, but I definitely feel like it's worth it compared to other beauty boxes that I get. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!